Hey guys, back to working on my van again. I've got some sound deadener, the silver foil stuff arriving tomorrow, so I'm just taking these boards out. It's as simple as just undoing these little screws, and that's them there. Pretty straightforward, but I'll keep these because I might come in handy. But anyway, yeah, just get rid of them, clean it all up. I bought some white spirits to wipe it all down so the stuff will stick, and then we'll go from there. Bye. Oh, don't know if that was working. Anyway, I've got these wood pieces that are really stuck to the panels. This is like a plywood, probably about 5mm plywood. This is like the compressed cardboard stuff. This is really stuck to the panel as well. It's like they put that down. The guys I bought it off for soundproofing. Anyway, I might leave that on, but let me know in the comments if you think I should take it off. Maybe it's a fire hazard, maybe it's just not going to work. But it is only sound deadener, it's not insulation. But this was it here. This is the type of stuff. It's like that compressed cardboard. It might do, but then if it gets wet or a bit of damp, it might get all soggy. Where this stuff here, this is plywood, and I've got these ones off. That was quite easy. This is it here. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Bye. Okay, I decided to take off that stuff. It was quite easy. I just got a paint scraper, got it into one of the sides, and once I got a little bit of it off, it just all peeled off. I'm glad I did. I'll scrape all this stuff off, vacuum it out, clean it up, and the same as this side here, that was all done. As you can see, that's part of it. What happened? Quite straightforward actually. This bit here, I might take that off. I just got to get something to hook in there. My claw hammer's a little bit too big, but anyway, very happy with that. I did a great job, I must say. Anyway, bye for now. Okay, so this is a panel. I'm just going to put some of that foil tape on here, just cover up all these edges, and I'll put a soundproofing in all these. I've just cleaned it all down with, what did I use? White Spirit. Picked this up in B&Q, which is a UK shop for anyone who's watching outside the UK. And just wiped it all down, got any grease and dirt off it. And I'm not worried about this too much. That's mastic, that'll stick to that, and it's only the inside anyway, underneath. And then my soundproof, and then my insulation, and then the barrier. I forget what you call, but the condensation barrier. Yeah, anyway, that'll all be done. Bye. And my latest update is, as you can see, these are just the I don't know what you call them. I forget what you call them actually. Anyway, so I've covered all them up, covered all the gaps up in here, and the gaps around the edges where the panel is coming onto the struts, I suppose. Just filled in all that and all the little holes where the screws were that were holding the panels in, and I've done the same on this side here. Cleaned it all off with white spirits, and then just covered it all. Maybe I didn't really need to do that because the putty and all, or what you call it, the insulation and all that will go in there. But anyway, I just thought I'd like to do it. It's pretty easy, and it'll just seal it all off. I'll do all these ones as well, but I'll wait till I get my bed out, get a bit more room, a bit more comfortable, and it's freezing cold as well, so I want to go in. But yeah, so I've done a bit of it. Did the one back door, 2 side panels. I'll get these wood off, get my screwdriver and just pluck all the wood out, get that one off. Definitely get that one off because that's that compressed cardboard stuff. These two, I'm not too bothered. They come off, which they will. Anyway, and I got those ones out, all these ones out, so I've got to clean them up, give them a vacuum, and then get my insulation done. This is all the rubbish that came out. Anyway, bye for now. I did for a bit of fun. I got a peace and love sticker. Quite like it. And then I got a peace sign. The sticker I got. Anyway, I thought there's enough horror in the world. People look at it and go peace, or they laugh at it, have a laugh, maybe put a smile on their face. So there's that one there on that side. Got this one, got me Bike Park Wales sticker. And I got another one on this side, which I did ruin a little bit because there's an air bubble in there. So I've got to try to maybe get a pin, take the air out. I'll see. But anyway, it's just a bit of fun on my van. Bye.